Welcome to my third video on Lesson 11, the for loop. In the first video we talked about the three parts of the for loop. Those three parts are the initialization, like I equals 1, int I equals 1. The control expression, like I less than equal to n. And then the step expression, common example is just I plus plus. In the second video we wrote display factors, where we ask the user for a number like 8 and then display the factors of that number. Also in that second video we did the lab about summing up the factors. So 1, 2, 4, and 8, if she enters 8, gets summed up to 15. Okay? And we'll take a look at the prime number one next. Great program. If you watched our author introduce this lesson, he said this is the most important lesson of the year, and programs like prime number are the exact reason why. It just puts everything together, prime number does. Again, this is display factor. Let's change the name to something like is prime, or just prime number program. So we'll ask for a number and tell the user if it's prime or not. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll count the factors, because our original definition of a prime number is a number with exactly two factors. So int num factors, if we find out it has exactly two factors, we'll say it's prime. So we use all the same code, except we add a little bit here, num factors plus plus, and then finally, if num factors is exactly 2, we can say that number is prime. Else, if it's anything else but 2, it's not prime. Good. And we run it. Again, there's different algorithms you could use, but that's the age-old definition of a prime number. It has exactly two factors. So if I put in 0, 0 is not prime. It doesn't have two factors, it only has one. If I put in 1, 1 only has one factor as well. It's not prime. The first prime number, of course, is 2. It has two factors, 1 and itself 2, and that's why it's prime. 3 is prime, 4 is not prime, and so on. Let's test it a little further. Let's go 23. That's a prime number. Good. And let's do 9. 9 has three factors, 1, 3, and 9, so that's not prime. Okay, so that's the parts of the prime number program. You can do it different, but make sure you practice it before you put it on a quiz for me, because there's lots of ways to screw this up. The most common way is to write a program that says 1 is prime. I see that all the time. 1's not prime. It's got only one factor. It needs to have 2.